Up first this evening, a man who is said to be the head of a church in Hanover has been charged with 7 counts of rape. The man is to appear in the Hanover Parish Court next Tuesday to answer the charges. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the details.
Police on patrol in Barnes Lane, Sandy Bay, Hanover on Monday witnessed a man who has been identified as a church leader beating a child and intervened. The police say they inquired and after arresting him, later found reasons to call in the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA, to investigate. During checks, CISOCA discovered several alleged cases of sexual misconduct by the man involving children in the community. Statements were collected and the man was charged. The man's name was not released, but a police source says he goes by several names. It's believed he's a former member of a St. James sect, but broke away to form his own church. Investigators are now appealing to persons who may have been victims of the man or who may have information that can assist them to contact the Hanover CISOCA office at 876-953-5312 or 956-2304 119 emergency or the nearest police station. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.